Hey everyone! So Sony have announced a firmware update for the A9 II and it's pretty exciting, so I wanted to give you a quick rundown of what it's all about. So there is some upgraded functionality for the camera, starting off with high frequency flicker reduction. Now on the A9 II already, you can reduce flicker up to 120 Hz, but a lot of lighting works at a higher Hertz rate than that, especially if you're in like big halls or stadiums, that sort of thing. So what they've done is putting a new feature to help you deal with any lights that are working at a higher frequency than that. So that's really good. Next up, we have improved FTP transfer. And we have a new capability in order to turn face/eye AF detect on or off with just the click of a button. Now, a few people found it really annoying that on the A9 II you couldn't just turn that on or off using a custom key, but with the new firmware you can. So that's really good improvement there for the A9 II. And then lastly, the thing I'm probably most excited about, which I think up until now has only been on the EOS R, off the top of my head, is that now with the new firmware, when you turn the A9 II off, the mechanical shutter will close over the sensor. Now, I'm sure a lot of us have been through the pain of removing dust spots from our images continuously all the time if you've got a mirrorless camera. So the fact that the new firmware is bringing this in for the A9 II, allowing you to be in dustier environments like my house, in the garden, or when lockdown is over, of course, going out, traveling around. That is a fantastic feature. So excited about that. I'm really hoping that Sony are going to bring that into all of their models, because I think every mirrorless camera should have that capability. It is so frustrating. They obviously just, pull in dirt when you're changing lens. So I'm super excited about that new functionality. I hope you are too. Now, if you want to know more about this firmware upgrade, I'm going to just put a little blog together so you can have a quick read through. Link to that in the description. If you want to know more about the A9 II, we've got loads of information on the website, and you can of course give us a call, send us an email, or put a comment here and we'll try our best to get back to you with all the information that you could need. Thanks for watching.